Hey foodies, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this creamy yummy Alfredo pasta. For this recipe, I'm going to be using boneless chicken thigh. So I'm going to season the meat with all-purpose seasoning and some salt. That's all you need. You don't need too much seasoning. I'm going to rub the spice into the chicken thoroughly and allow it to marinate for about 10 minutes. In a hot pan, I'm going to add some olive oil and then I'm going to fry my chicken for 5 minutes on both sides. Then I added some garlic. While the chicken is cooking, I'm just going to boil some water for our pasta. After 5 minutes, I'm just going to flip the chicken and cook the other side for another 5 minutes. For the pasta, I'm just going to be adding some salt into the water and then I'm going to add my penne pasta. I use about 500 grams of penne pasta. After 5 minutes, as you can see, my chicken is ready. It is crispy and also tender at the same time. In the same pan, I'm going to be adding some onions and adding about 1 teaspoon of butter. Then I'm going to fry it for about 2 minutes on low heat. Next, I added some scotch bonnet. This is optional, but as a Nigerian girl, I love the heat, so I added 1 scotch bonnet. You can add black pepper if you want. Then I added 2 cups of double cream, and I'm just going to mix everything together thoroughly. And then I'm going to be adding some seasoning and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on low heat. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. After 5 minutes, as you can see, the sauce has reduced a little bit. Now I'm just going to add my pasta. And now I'm just going to combine everything together, and then I added my chicken. I've diced my chicken into smaller chunks. If you like cheese, this is the best time to add your cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese. But for this recipe, I decided not to add cheese. Guys, this pasta tastes so good. As you can see, it was yummy, it is creamy, and it was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share to your family and friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.